Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can upload the short video on YouTube. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the YouTube. So I'm going to click on this. So as you can see, the YouTube is open. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on this plus icon. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, has an option for the short, the live and the video. So I'm going to select the short. So after selecting the short, as you can see, has an option for the duration. If your short is less than 15 seconds, then you have to keep it, then you have as it is. And after that, if your short duration is longer than 15 seconds, then you have to click on this, and now it will be automatically converted into 60 seconds. So I'm going to click on this, and now simply we have to select the short which we want to upload. For example, I'm going to select the short, that which short we want to upload. So let's select that, and for example, I'm going to select, let's see. So after selecting this, now short is. So as you can see, now it's done. So simply I have selected the short, and now we have to click on the done, and after clicking on the done, it will take few seconds in loading, so we have to wait until it loads. And now we need to click on this right icon. If you want to add the speed and timer effects and green screen, all the options are provided here. If you want to use them, you can also do that. It's up to your need. And I'm going to click on this, and now we have to click on the next. And as you can see, now here we have to write the title, that what should be the title, like the fiber gig tricks and the tag, whatever you want to read. And if you want to add the text, you can also do that. As you can see, I have added the text, and after that you have the visibility, you have to make it public, or if you want to unlisted or provided, you can also do that. And select audience, for example, not made for kid. And after that, you have some other options here like allow audio and video mixing, and all the things are provided here. And simply you have to click on the upload short. So in this way you can upload a short on YouTube. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can upload the short video on YouTube. So see you guys in the next video.